Today we're gonna unbox this ALLLIKE power station. Would say it is heavy, or compact and heavy for the size, right? It's don't have a knife. It's about 25 pounds and it's solid. So let's see. I'm gonna struggle to get this open here, but check out some of the specs on the box and blah, blah, blah. So let's see what we got inside. Packaging's looking pretty solid, just like the everything about this thus far is. Let's see if we can't get that off. Ooh, it's nice wrapped in some fabric. Oh, so pretty. The question is, can you just lift it out? Yes, you can. And it's almost smaller than I was expecting, which is awesome. So this thing is 1,000 watts, and it is cute and compact. You've got your things on the front. We turn it on here. See, it's only at 25% charge. So we're gonna get it charged up. Right now there's no pull on it. Do have a light on the back. Turn that on. You can see that back here. And it actually has several different light modes, a little bit brighter, even brighter, and then I think it goes to SOS mode. And once more, then it goes to strobe or rave club mode, and once more it turns off. And then back here is where you've got your standard power plugs. Charger goes in down there. One for the regular charger, and then also an input for solar charging cells that you can also order through them. This piece of rubber, though, it does look like a charging pad. It is not. It's just a spot to set a device or whatnot, maybe like the cell phone while you're charging. And here you've got your USB-C, your USB-A, and then two DC plugs also. Once turned it on, you hit the AC to turn on the AC power in the back, or just turn on the ones across the front. So we're gonna get this thing plugged in and charged up, and we will be back with it.